This is The Art of Noise, pardon the pun, on an innovative, groundbreaking music act from the 80s that still holds relevance today. So with all due respect to that music group, The Art of Noise, it's an observation that you can easily make all by yourself without me or anyone else telling you what to look for. There's a lot of negative behavior in Western society, impolite, rude, and so on. However, you and I, we all swim in this ocean with other people, and you do have to tolerate a certain amount of that. I contend that you can capitalize on this. Just place yourself in traffic with your windows down, cracked, at almost any intersection in any urban area in America. Now, what do you hear? Pure noise here and there, aggressively competing nonsense for your attention. You often hear angry, crazy, or just plain terrible noise coming out of automobiles, if it's not the actual automobile itself, that is meant to impress, and it's all nonsense. Even the cars themselves make intentional noise, and maybe the images there, you may equate some visual images too with this unpleasant, distracting noise. What I'd like to suggest and offer for your consideration here is that you, as an internet entrepreneur, an entrepreneur in general, without compromising your own integrity or overall business purpose, and certainly not your morality in any way, but what I'm saying is listen to the noise. Listen to this noise because people are consuming this. Yes, you are reluctantly bathed in this, but some people are consuming it, absorbing it, taking it as normal. So I propose that you maintain your ethics and scruples and be willing to ride whatever wave happens to be popular because it's being consumed and purchased and embraced by some people. So listen to the noise carefully. Consider how you and your internet business, whether it be creating apps, hosting websites, selling products or services, that you can parlay the merchandising, mercantiling, sale, curation, and promotion of these different kinds of noise, as bothersome as some of them may be. Clearly, there are some of these noises, to some degree or stripe or another, that are making someone money, or we wouldn't see this all over the country. Some parts of the country much more so than others. So, I'm asking you to keep your eyes open, your ears tuned and listening, and keep your mind open collectively to having minor pivots and maybe even jump through some hoops in your neighborhood of your entrepreneurism, and at least be open to considering going down that street, whether it be a court, a loop, or a detour, to use other distractions to make money as an ancillary income source. Don't be afraid to embrace what is strange, disturbing, or even annoying to you personally. Of course, at the same time, don't wreck your personal principles and beliefs or do anything unethical you can't live with. Alright, lifestylers, this has been a bit of a soapbox rant for me. But even if something negative that you don't really care for, that's not your particular flavor of interest, but there is money to be made without compromising your integrity, go ahead and explore it. Consider it. You're already doing something different than other people are doing. You're an entrepreneur, and you don't care what the collective man thinks. If you're not already a subscriber, do take a look at our digitalstartuplifestyle.com DSL mag across the internet. We would really be happy to share some insight and expertise with you, and we would welcome your comments and suggestions. Have a great day, lifestylers.